May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and many people are struggling now due to COVID-19. A Brooklyn Center counselor gives us some tips on how to cope.
Everyone at some type of level is being impacted mentally by this pandemic.
Tanya Young is a licensed professional clinical counselor and owner of Peace Be Still Counseling. She mainly works with African immigrants and underserved and marginalized communities, people who typically don't utilize counseling.
I'm really cautioning our people of color away from this suffering in silence and this strong black mode, where you have to be so strong, everything be strong. Strength is reaching out for resources.
During the stay-at-home order, Young teamed up with Brooklyn Park-based African Career Education and Resource Group to offer virtual counseling services. They call the program Wellness Wednesdays.
Giving people the opportunity to really dig deep and disclose how they're really feeling.
Statistics show 1 in 5 adults in the United States suffers from mental illness. Young says we all have to be aware of our mental well-being, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Depending on the line of work we do, depending if we have been impacted financially, economically, or our businesses, or our home life, some people have been laid off, so this, on a long term, it takes a toll.
Young suggests doing a self-check with your emotions daily.
Honor your feelings. I think that's a big thing. We do not give ourselves permission to feel vulnerable, permission to say, I was scared today, and it's okay,
The Brooklyn Center counselor suggests these tips for self-care. Practice deep breathing, make sure you're eating right, get plenty of sleep, and exercise. And although we're practicing social distancing, Young warns against becoming socially isolated.
Yes, we have to physically distance because of the virus, but want to remain socially connected.
The council recommends having a positive mindset.
This is a time of rediscovery. It's not what's going on, it's how you're looking at it.
For more information on this story, check out our social media pages or log on to ccxmedia.org. Sonia Goins, CCX News.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.